Hello everyone, welcome to the Furiously Curious Kids channel. I am Preeti here and we are going to have a look at the sounds of the letters in the alphabet from A to Z in the alphabetic order. Now, if you are a parent who is trying or who is keen on getting your child to learn how to read English language phonetically, this is where you should begin. Take some flashcards of the alphabet, or maybe you can even write A to Z in a book and you can get the child to practice the sounds of the letters one by one. Or you can just repeatedly show this video to the child until he or she learns the sounds. Here we go. B, b, k, k, d, 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 e, 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 g, 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 I, 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 J, 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 K, 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 L, 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 mm, 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 o, 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 p, 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 qua, 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 r, 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 s, t, 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 a, 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 v, v, w, 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 kiss, 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 y, 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 z, z, z. These are the letters in the alphabet and you are to learn the sounds of the letters first. Once you have learned the sounds very well, we shall move on to blending the different sounds to form words. Okay, so first step, all through the week, get your child to practice the letter sounds. In 1 week's time, hopefully your child will be ready to move on to blends. So next week, I shall come to you with symbol blends. Okay, bye-bye. Those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, please do so that you get the notifications in time and we shall take learning the language and storytelling and learning numeracy skills the fun way, step by step. Subscribe. Bye-bye.